In square and square roots, the next topic is square root of numbers which are not perfect squares, correct up to 2 decimal places. In order to find out the square root of numbers which are not perfect square up to the 2 place of decimal, we shall find the square root of the number up to 3 decimal places and then round it off up to 2 decimal places. For this, we can add 0 as much required in the process. Let's do an example to understand it. Find the square root of 2 up to 2 decimal places. To find the square root of 2 up to 2 decimal places, we have to find square root up to 3 decimal places. In order to find the square root up to 3 decimal places, we will write 2 as number having 3 pairs of 0 after decimal. And then we will find the square root of 2.000000 by long division method. Here we will stop at the 3 places of decimal only as we need to answer the square root of 2 up to 2 decimal places. Square root of 2 we got 1.414. After rounding off up to 2 decimal places, we get square root of 2 1.41. Now estimation. Square root of a number which is not a perfect square can also be estimated by finding the number whose square is the closest to the given number. In this method, we start from a broad range and then start narrowing the range till we find the answer. It can be understood by the following example. Estimate the square root of 500. We know that 500 is greater than square number 400 but less than square number 900. So, square root of 500 lies between square root of 400 and square root of 900. Since square root of 400 is 20 and square root of 900 is 30, square root of 500 will be greater than 20 but less than 30. Now narrow the range of estimation. Between 20 and 30, we know that 22 square is equal to 484 and 23 square is equal to 529. Here 500 is closer to 484 than 529 because difference of 500 and 484 is less. Thus, square root of 500 is approximately equal to 22. This estimation we can use for finding square root of a perfect square having up to 4 digits. This we can understand by an example. Estimate the value of square root of 1936. 1936 is a perfect square number. Here last digit is 6. Hence, units digit in the square root must be either 4 or 6. Now comes tens digits. 1936 is greater than square number 1600 but less than square number 2500. Means 1936 lies between 1600 and 2500. So its square root will lie between square root of 1600 that is 40 and square root of 2500 that is 50. In between 40 and 50, 44 and 46 have 4 and 6 at units place. So square root of 1936 can be either 44 or 46. And square root of 1936 is 44.